Alright, today we're building two very similar PCs. Except one has the cooler going that way and one has it going this way because it's terribly designed. This is so stupid. So, oh, I kicked some. I'm just going to put in the RAM. So this PC gets one stick because I don't have a matching stick for that kit for some reason. Because I lost it. And this one gets two sticks because this is low speed RAM. And this platform likes low speed RAM because it's bad. I'm giving the 1660 Ti to this side and a Titan X to this side. There we go. I forgot to install SSDs. So this one gets the Kingston. Where's my screwdriver? This was literally the only screwdriver I could find. So, I should have done, I need to take the graphics cards out. Time to use my tiny screwdriver. It actually works really well. I can't actually find my normal screwdriver. Is it magnetic? Yes, it is. It's magnetic. Oh, darn, not enough, though. So, the reason I'm doing these SSDs in these order is because that stupid WD blue one won't work connected directly to the CPU. So, it has to be connected to the chipset. Which, if you don't know what that means, I don't either, so don't worry about it. I do know what it means, so don't try to explain it to me in the comments. I've never actually used the M.2 slots on this board in my entire life. They could both be broken, and I would have no idea of no clue. I would never know. What is happening? Alright, that screw is just not the right size. Oh wow, it just randomly was the right size screw. That's hilarious. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, there's literally no point. I'm just extremely bored and it's 1 a.m. And I noticed that I had two very similar PCs sitting on the table. Okay, two PCs complete. Now what are these PCs and why are they similar and why am I building them? Well, they have something in common. I don't actually have a distinct use for either of them yet. The 7700K I might give away, like I said, in a week, though. I doubt we'll have 10K subs. It's up to you guys. But this is a 2300X. If you don't know what the 2300X is, I wouldn't be surprised. This CPU is extremely stupid. It's AMD's pre-built system only 4-core 4-thread Zen Plus CPU that no one knows about because they didn't publicly release it. They're just like, hey, and it's out. And it's only in pre-built. I had to buy it from someone off their pre-built, so that was great. But that's really it. That was the entire point of this video, is that I have two similar systems. Did I even put thermal paste on it? Now, and like I said, so this has a 980, or Titan X, basically the same thing. A 1660 Ti is in this one. This has 8 gigs of RAM. This has 16. This has a WD Blue connected to the chipset. This has a Kingston connected to the CPU. That's really it. They both only use 8-pin connectors. This is a 7700K. This is a 2300X. Yeah, the CPU's different, price and class, I guess. Here, you can go right back in there. Now this one could be used for streaming. I wouldn't recommend a 4-core for streaming though. Though, I mean, just for streaming, yeah. This could be the gaming PC, and just like that. This could be a great gaming PC, and this could be a streaming PC. A nice I just made a dual PC setup. I am way too good at doing that. This is my third dual PC setup. I actually have another case down there. You know what I should do? Well, this is just a dumb video, and I'm going to post it because, someone somewhere might be interested in seeing this stupid thing I've just done. That's the point. So, I just built a dual PC streaming setup, but over here, one sec. I'm going to put it on the table. I just have the guts of a full gaming PC just sitting here. The thing, this is a nice, so I don't like MSI motherboards because I've just had bad experiences. They're good, I use different parts so that their software never actually works for me. But this is a nice MSI motherboard. This is their, yeah, I broke it. It had an OC dial on it. You could physical button dial to change the OC, and I broke it off. It's got stop and start buttons. It's got USB 3.1 Type C, like actual nice RAM slots. It's X470. It's one of their actual like really nice boards. It's like a $250 board I got for like $100. It's got Wi-Fi on it. It's got a BIOS flashback, clear CMOS button. No one has that anymore. You know, and all that stuff. And then a Seasonic Focus Plus Gold 750 watt just sitting here doing literally, and it's got a what is that, a 2 terabyte hard drive? What am I doing? Like, do not connect PWM based water pumps. Okay, I won't do that. I wasn't gonna do it anyway. What am I doing where this happens? Look at this, my mic's breaking. I don't know what's happening right now, but I really don't know what to do with this stuff. So I've been very effective at getting rid of a lot of stuff I just straight up really don't need by giving it away and making some money back off that. But this is just like, I feel like I should do something. This is a nice case. This is the H500i. They go for like 150 new. Well, they went for like 150 new or $100 new. I think I got it for like $40. The Focus Plus Gold, that's like a nice power supply. I don't have any of the GPU connectors though, so it can only connect with one of these two graphics cards, because it only has a 6-pin. I only have a 6-pin for it. So I'm thinking if we get the vertical mount going, though of course everyone knows vertical mount sucks because it's just choked for air right up against the glass. You know, if we get the vertical mount going, like I feel like it should be in a white case, you know? I don't really know. This could be a beautiful build. But like I said, my only spare Ryzen CPU is a 2300X. I don't know if anyone realizes how dumb the 2300X is. I've had it for months, and it has literally, its entire existence on this channel has been sitting there looking pretty. It has done nothing. It just made my collection of AMD CPUs look better. I have no extra AMD CPUs anymore that are just like sitting in boxes. I have, let's see if I can lift this up. This is heavy. This monstrosity of a CPU, and that's it. Even the mounting is just dumb. But like, I'm thinking of just putting it in this like OP motherboard and just overclocking the snot out of it for no reason. That'd be dumb. I also have an i5-8400. Hold on. Okay, so I do have a problem here. This is a working i5-8400 CPU and motherboard. This system works, and power supply. But the motherboard is so like dumb that the motherboard and the CPU, they run off of like one EPS connector, 12 volt EPS each, and that's like dumb. And then we got like SATA and SATA power. The only power connectors out of this power supply are EPS and SATA power. That's it. That's all we get here. I find this to be, this is the stupidest thing I have. $120 I'll give someone this i5-8400. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's only got 2 RAM slots. I want to get like an H310 motherboard or an H370. Shove the 84, like it's only got, no, it's got, that's a USB 3, I guess. I want to like get like an H370 or even a Z370 or Z390, I don't know. Put it in there, make like a pretty garbage gaming system, maybe throw in like this. Not in this case. I gotta get rid of this board. This board is flippin' terrible. I mean, I could probably, like what I considered doing, this has just gone to a terrible video, but let's talk. What I've considered doing, none of this audio is going to be usable, I'm going to be pissed. What I've considered doing is just putting this Elgato HD60 in there. You know, closing that up. And it would make a great streaming PC. The only problem is that for some reason I can never get it to launch because it always goes like, CPU fan error. And I'm just like, it's got this stupid, like, custom-made chassis for it. It's got USB-C on the, you know what, this would actually, if I can, like, man, I don't have, like, a CNC, so I can't do, like, cool stuff. Let's try to turn this thing on. Do I have a drive? I'm gonna try to turn this thing on. This is so dumb. Hold on, give me an HDMI. Give me your HDMI. Oh, that fell. Oh, no, my RAM. I wonder if I get this thing to work. We'll just use integrated graphics. And a SATA SSD. Oh yes, SATA. Alright, let me just plug in a normal ass SATA. This has Windows on it. If it doesn't work, I quit. I think it's the thing to work, make like a faux streaming PC, make like a portable streaming setup. How to be stupid. Alright, this just show. Oh, I need RAM. Let's just give it the garbage RAM. Should I just give it 4 gigs? No, I'll give it like actual RAM. 16 gigs of garbage RAM. No, let's see. I want to try RGB RAM. I seriously need to know if this will work on this board. Should be good. Let's plug it in. Guys, if this works, 10 out of 10. If not, 9 out of 10. Power supply's got no switch, so it just turns on. Let's play a game. It's called Killing My Hardware, one step at a time. The RGB is not going to work. Wireless mouse, sure. Plug it into the front. See if the front panel still works. Be like a cool little media PC for me to do nothing with. I don't have a keyboard. I'm literally out of keyboards. What have I done? I'm not even going to show you the garbage keyboard I just brought. Oh, I did by mistake. It's on. Oh, RGB RAM! It works! Now the question is, does this turn on? Yeah, Chief, that's a negative to the turning on. Oh, that turned on before I touched it. A fan is not operating correctly. Enter continue startup. HP, please boot to Windows. I haven't gotten that far yet. Devices, what devices are you getting ready? Oh my god, it works. This stupid machine, that thing works. Oh, it actually came up Razer. Yeah, we don't care about that. All right. Yeah, so I had a bunch of other stuff like downloaded on other drives on the PC I just ripped this out of.